I often ask myself the question, what it would be to live in a world without tea. I'll ask this a lot, you'd be surprised how often I actually do. And I've recently concluded that it would be fucking horrible. And there's two upsides to that. The first is that I have tea, and the second is that I don't have to ask myself that question ever again. But I can look at more things like this with that freed up time. And this is the Tomytronics Tennis game. Now, Tomytronics was a staple of the 80s. They created Tomytronic 3D in 1982. Those little things that you put over your eyes, and it created a sort of 3D effect with crappy LED graphics. And they made lots of games like this. Now, this is a 1981, and it's tennis for the person who can't be bothered to go and play tennis in their back gardens for fear of breaking their parents' window. And it requires some batteries. It's a bit grotty in there, but we need some C batteries, like all good. I mean, look how many batteries this thing takes. Can you imagine a product today of this size running on 4 of these bastards? My God, it's crazy, isn't it? He is clearly a sucker for power. Anyway, we shut that, and on the back it tells us set skill level, switch to practice, Pro 1 or Pro 2, practice, push only the top backcourt player to develop timing, set players, yeah, okay, we get the idea. What does it say on the back? It says made in Japan, and there's the little Tomy logo with some children going, yay, we love Tomy. Alright, so what have we got? We've got practice, Pro 1, Pro 2, 1 player, and this is a 2-player device. That's why we've got different buttons on either side. Ooh, they're quite firm. I haven't actually played this yet. Oh my God, that sounds dubious to say the least. Okay, we've got our little graphics there. We've got Bobby and Dobby. Oh, I think there's some problems with battery. Look at that. This is right. Okay, give me a few minutes alone with this, and I'll come back to you. It won't be showing me up again like that again, I can tell you. Okay, I've put it onto Pro 2 mode, and we serve by F. What's that for? Fucking hell. Whoa, look at that swing action. Okay, so we can move up and down the playing field by... Oh, okay, these buttons denote where we are on the field, so that corresponds to there, I think. Yeah, okay, yep, okay, gotcha. He's winning by quite a nice margin here, isn't he? Did I just fall over? Right. 1 game to him. He fouled. Loser. Double foul, 15 love, brilliant. Okay, so I'm not. Okay, right. If it lands in the position I'm in, I can just press the button to swing. So I have to press 1 button to get me into the position on the field, I think, and then 1 button to swing. No, okay. So this is how it works. If you're in the position you want to hit the ball from, you just press the button again to hit it. If not, you press the button where you want to go, and it will automatically swing the bat when you get there. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. There's no buttons for the middle. Okay. So I can either go. Feels like there should be an extra row here for middle, top of the pitch, court, and bottom of the court. But there's not. And it's quite tricky. I'm on Pro 2. Let me try Pro 1. Oh, got some problems with the display again here. Ow, what do you mean foul? There's no... Okay, I think the longer you press the serve button down for, the harder you hit the ball or something. So I thought I'd take this apart and have a gander inside, as it's always good to look at classic electronic equipment. It's always interesting to see what exactly is going on. We've got some, these contacts are a bit rusted. I've got some dodgy contacts here. There's probably one of these soldering joints that's causing it to fail. Circuit board there, we've got our display with all the positions, you can see better there, all mapped out, and the winning cups in the middle. Like a bit in some sort of glass tubing there. There's no power input on this, it's battery only, which was the case quite often in a lot of these older ones. Although bigger games like the Grandstand's Astro Wars games had DC in because they were tabletop games, and these were more portable type affairs. We've got all the buttons there, these squidgy buttons which press down rather squidgily onto some contact which is straight on the board. These buttons push down a bit of plastic which springs it back up. Let's seal it back up and game on. So you can play 2-player on the let's try a 2-player game. This might be easier. I think you can probably play this 2-player using just 1 player. Or not. Oh my god. This is no virtual tennis, is it? I mean, it's surprising what kept us entertained in the... Oh, I've got a rally! No, I didn't even have a rally. In the early 80s. I mean, obviously it would have worked better than this. We hope it would, but... Come on. Come on. Come on, hit the ball, someone. You, hit the ball. Yes! Yes! Oh yeah, we go! Oh yes, come on! Oh yes, look at this! 2-player works much better. I'm playing against myself. It's amazing. It's like the greatest dream I've ever had. What happened? Come on! Ah. Oh. The good thing about playing 2-player against yourself is you're always a winner. And, of course, a loser at the same time. But we won't focus on the negatives. There we go. That's the Tomytronics Tennis game. A rather hefty, heavy beast with 4 of those C batteries in. And I imagine it provided you with a reasonable amount of entertainment, especially 2-player. It's like one of those toys you would have taken into school on the end of term toy days and played with your mates, and everyone would have been like, oh, can I play with you, Cyril? I want a game. And you would have been the envy of the school until another kid brought a better toy in, probably one of the 3D ones, because they were far cooler, let's be honest. Just noticed you've got a little court effect there. How delightful. Anyway, Tomytronics Tennis. There we go. See you next time. Goodbye.